from BCA 5th SEM. My roll number is 45. I belong to section A, batch 1. And today we will talk about provision and reserve in the concepts of accounting. So provision. Provision is a charge to profit. Provision is maintained to meet the losses or decrease in the value of assets. A provision is a legal necessity for a business. It represents the expenses. It is maintained in the P&L account irrespective of its impact on business. It can bring the business can be profit bearing or it cannot also be bearing losses, but maintaining a provision is a legal necessity. A reserve is an appropriation of profit. If a business is maintaining reserve, it states the financial stability of the business. Its creation depends on the amount of profit earned by the business. Its purpose is to meet unknown losses, while provision is maintained to meet known liabilities. It is maintained to meet a specific loss or liability that is known to the business. It is a legal necessity and it cannot be utilized for distribution by way of dividend. Means that the amount of equity that the shareholders are holding, the amount from provision cannot be distributed by the way of dividend to the shareholders. While in reserve, the equity of the shareholders can be given in the form of dividend to the shareholders. So this was the basic difference in provision and reserve. Thank you so much.